Good afternoon. Intermittent fasting update number 3, day 4. We are not doing in the truck today. We figured a little bit of mixing it up would be a nice thing. I am actually down in Charleston on a little high adventure. Hat tip to high adventure videos. Came down here to do a little bit of kayaking and some fishing. I had a few goals in mind. One was to catch a stone crab or two. I did catch one stone crab so far. However, she was undersized and full of eggs. So obviously we let her go. I caught a red drum on the rod. Unfortunately, she or it got off right before I could land it. Got a good look at it once or twice as it flipped in and out of the water. And while on the kayak, I caught a stingray, which was not fun at all, because how do you get the hook out of a stingray when you're on a kayak and trying to avoid getting a barb in your foot or arm or any variation thereof? So that was rather fun, to say the least. Fasting, we fasted all day yesterday. I did not hold true to my fast. I ate a little later than 8 o'clock. So it is 12:15 now. And since I ate about 9:30, I will not start eating again until 1:30 or 2 o'clock today. So it looks like I'm going to fiddle fart around down here on Wadlamai Island, which is absolutely gorgeous. I'll flip the camera around and you guys can see where we're at. But I will stay here for another hour and a half before I head back and get something to eat on the way back up to the farm. It is absolutely gorgeous down here. This is Cherry Point Landing on Wadlamai Island, which is the land that time forgot. If you've ever been down here before, I used to, when I lived in Charleston, go fishing on Church Creek, which is the border between Johns Island and Wadlamai Island, i.e. the middle of absolutely nowhere. But a beautiful day, a good job, and we will continue with the fasting journey. Obviously, I don't have a scale, so I don't know where we stand weight-wise, but we'll check back in on that on Monday. You guys have a great day, and I will speak to you again tomorrow on day 5.